Purpose over priorities, purpose over the price that you are paying, both in terms of time and also money. Hello, I am Mahati Gurti. I am a certified executive power coach and the creator of Chronos Time Leadership and Life Recovery Systems. Have you ever said, I don't have time for that right now, or it's too expensive, so maybe later? What if I told you the moment you say that you are not making a time decision or a money decision, you are making a purpose decision. In this video, I want to challenge everything you have been told about priorities and pricing and show you why purpose is the only real filter that actually matters. Let's talk about purpose over priorities. I had a client. Let's call her Sheila. She was a senior leader at a top firm, brilliant visionary. But every time I asked her to take time out to reflect, reset, and restructure her energy, she do say, I have got back to back meetings. Not today. It's not a priority right now. Sounds familiar, isn't it? That is when I asked her a question. What if your health gave you a meeting invite? Would you take it? Complete silence. And that's when it clicked. We hide behind priorities because they give us permission to ignore our truth. Priorities shift, right? Calendars change, and maybe deadlines start disappearing. That may not be the priority anymore, but purpose is the thing that is constant. Purpose is the compass, not the clock. Your purpose must inform your priorities, not the other way around, right? If I looked at your calendar right now, yes, your calendar right now, would I see your legacy in it or just meetings that are back to back and are keeping you so very busy? And basically, the purpose is missing. Let's get to the part two, purpose over price that you are paying. Let's take first money. Money is a mirror. Now, let's talk about the other lie. I can't afford it right now. We say it when something feels risky, expensive, or uncertain. But here's the truth, we don't invest based on the cost, we invest based on our own conviction. When something is tied to survival, growth, or identity, we find a way, right? But when something is tied to our evolution, we hesitate because it asks us to change. What do I mean? When it is tied to the transformation, the change, then we feel the fear of change, right? I have had clients who tell me this is exactly what I need, but and that but is rarely about money. It's about the permission, it's about the belief, it's about asking, am I worth taking that risk or am I worth that investment? When your purpose becomes real, price becomes just a strategy and not an obstacle. Because what's truly expensive may be a year more of burnout and stress, or maybe that relationship, or the legacy that you are supposed to live but you never tried to, right? So, what if your transformation costs a few thousands, but your delay costs you more years of burnout, years of no career, right? Years of late promotions, years of relationship breakage. Bring it home. You don't need more productivity tools. You need to come home to your purpose. You need a system that aligns time, energy, and emotion and the vision of yours. That's exactly what the Chronos leadership system does. It's not about chasing performance. It's not about chasing performance anymore. It's about anchoring your purpose so deeply that performance becomes definite thing or inevitable. So today I leave you with a choice. Not what are your priorities, but what is your purpose. Not can I afford it, but can I afford not to and then let one more year or few more years pass by. Because the truth is your purpose deserves to be your priority and it's always worth the price that you pay. If this resonates, or you know that somebody is in need of this, you have to listen this today. DM me the word purpose. Let's talk about how you can realign with what matters most to you in your life. Or click on the link in the description to join the founders cohort for the Reclaim Reset program. Let's build a life that honors your power, your peace, and your purpose, and not just performance and priorities. Click on the link below and subscribe so that you don't miss another video that is so very valuable. I'll see you in the next video.